Hey, welcome back to Blasian Persuasion, you guys. It is time to get in shape because I want to say 2020 was a lot of eating out, a lot of resting, not really doing much exercise or trying to stay in shape or even eat right. So now it is time to change that back around because I was getting it together in 2018 to 2019 and then I let it all go. So today, you guys are gonna be with me. You're gonna get me back on track. You're gonna help motivate me to continue, and I'm gonna help motivate you guys to show that you can do this too. Now, I am a military vet, so I have quite a few physical issues that keep me from working out. So I'm gonna try to do my best to work around, to do exercises that I can do that won't harm me or, cause me to have to take a step back. So today, what we're gonna start with is measurements. So I have my measuring tape here and we will start, let's see, because you guys don't know this, but I really feel like right here, I could feel my fattiness. So I'm gonna do a neck measurement. And I'll stand up straight to get more accuracy. So my neck is coming to about 14 inches around, all right? 14 inches for the neck. And then we're gonna come here to Miss bosom mark. I'm gonna try to stand up straight, not pull too tight, not keep it loose. But okay, I'm measuring a 36. That's about right. Me and my small chest size here is fine. So 36. And then we're gonna go around the waist. Belly button, mid-waist, they say, mid-waist. Now, they say don't squeeze in or anything, just breathe normal. So this is about 34. Let me tighten that just a little bit more. Okay, so I'm looking at 33. Right above the belly button. And if we come down here to these love handles, 36. 36. Okay, so my measurements, I'm gonna go around my butt, my buttocks. Right here, excuse my slideshow. And around my buttocks is a 41. I'm gonna go with 41 around the buttocks area. Now I can do my leg around my thigh. My thigh is a 26, or left thigh is a 26. And my right thigh is a 26. It'd be kind of awkward if it was a little different, but they're the same, 26, okay, around the thighs. Anything else that I need to measure that you guys would like to know, let me know. Next thing I'm going to do, so the last thing that I need to do, so I'm just showing you guys, look at hot mess, okay? Hot mess. I'm just gonna breathe normally because this is what I want to get rid of. These lovely love handles. Okay. You know, I'm definitely gonna be working on my squats. Yeah, underarm right here. You'll see that. I want that going. And then this right here. Hello. Say goodbye. Cause it's time to go. All right. Tone up. This is all I'm working on, okay? I might work on my arms. Bring my arms in a little bit more. I didn't measure my arms, so I can do that. I can measure my arms. Arms is about, this one's about 12 inches. Okay, 12 inches for the arms. So we're gonna see how we make this work. Now I'm gonna show you guys the weight because I'm gonna do my weigh-in today. So let me show you guys how I'm gonna do the weight.